Imagine walking into a party where you don't know many people, feeling a bit nervous about what to say. Today at English Dictionary Infinity, we'll learn how to confidently introduce yourself at any social gathering. You'll gain the tools to make great first impressions and start meaningful conversations. Remember, everyone at a party wants to have a good time and meet interesting people. Most people are friendly and open to conversations, so there's no need to feel nervous. A simple smile and confident body language set the right tone when approaching someone. Stand straight, make eye contact. They're likely as interested in meeting you as you are in them. Let's start with a basic introduction formula that works in almost every situation. Begin with a friendly greeting like, "Hi there," or "Hello." Then immediately follow with your name, saying, "I'm," followed by your first name. For example, you might say, "Hi there, I'm Sarah," or "Hello, I'm David." This simple pattern creates an immediate connection and invites the other person to respond with their name. After they tell you their name, say, "Nice to meet you," followed by their name to show you were listening. Now, let's discuss what comes after the basic introduction, as this is where many feel stuck. The key is to have a few natural and genuine conversation starters ready. You can ask, "How do you know?" followed by the host's name, like, "How do you know Jessica?" This question works well as everyone has a connection to the host, offering insight into their relationship. Another option is to comment positively on the party, such as, "This is a lovely home," or "The music is great." To keep the conversation flowing, ask open-ended questions that require more than a yes or no answer. Instead of, "Do you live nearby?" try, "What part of the city do you live in?" This encourages more sharing and keeps the dialogue interesting. Share something about yourself after asking a question to balance the conversation. For example, after they answer where they live, you might say, "Oh, that's a great area. I live downtown." Sometimes you'll find yourself in a group conversation rather than a one-on-one. Wait for a natural pause, then introduce yourself to the group. "Hi everyone, I'm," followed by your name. Group introductions can be easier, as there's less pressure to carry the conversation, allowing you to listen. What if you forget someone's name? It happens, and there's a polite way to handle it. Simply say, "I'm sorry, could you remind me of your name again?" Most people will understand. To avoid this, repeat their name when you first hear it, like, "Nice to meet you, Michael." This repetition helps you remember and shows you're engaged. Before we finish, let's practice a complete introduction sequence for any party. Imagine someone approaches you. You respond with, "Hi, I'm," and your name. They tell you their name, and you say, "Nice to meet you," plus their name. Then ask, "How do you know?" the host's name, listen, and share your own connection. Finally, transition to another topic by commenting on the party or asking about their interests. The goal isn't to impress everyone or have perfect conversations. It's simply to be friendly, genuine, and open to making new connections. With these techniques, you'll feel much more confident at your next social gathering. Practice these introductions until they feel natural, and you'll be the person others want to meet.